Hey guys, it's Jasmine,
Janaya, and Jordan.
And our mom told us to stay here so she could finish up, then she'll pick us up. But we've been hearing lots of weird noises, and it's really dark. So...
And we can't find any lights.
Except for this one.
Yeah, so we're just
And one of the lights are broken, so...
That's very spooky.
We're underneath the table right now. What is that noise? Ow. Jordan hit his head.
But I hear creepy noises.
Where is that coming from?
I don't know. No. It's off, it's off.
The light. This place might be haunted. Let's find another place.
Yeah, this isn't good. This is even worse, Jasmine.
I'm about to save myself.
No, there's spider traps under there.
Okay. I don't hear any more noises, but it could be just the electricity because that light didn't work at first. So I didn't think that's why the lights are like that. But the noises.
Oh, there's a light. No, there's no light.
No one's in there. There's a classroom, but no one's in here.
So I think it's going to be pretty safe in here.
Okay.
And it's weird because usually there's...
Ooh, and the blinds are closed.
The blinds are closed. We could probably see.
Don't open the blinds. Okay. I think we'll be safe in here. Because can we lock the door? No, we need a key to lock the door. This is so scary, guys. Let me just make sure it's not Jaden.
Yeah.
Let me just make sure. Okay, guys. I'm going to make sure it's not Jaden.
Yeah. We're going to make sure it's not Jaden.
Yeah, we're going to make sure it's not Jaden. We're going into the dark now. And this is where all the noises... Now we're... Yeah, that's just the electricity.
Probably.
Okay, so we're going to call Jaden to ask if it's him. Jaden!
Jaden!
Jaden! Jaden! Jaden!
Jaden!
Oh, I guess he's not here yet. Then who's making the noise?
I don't know.
No one else is here.
Let's just go back in the room. It's more safe than under a table. So. It literally says the safe room on the door.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
For Jordan, it says the safe room. But in real life, it says CIC 144. I'm kidding. I don't know what it says. But I know it doesn't say safe room. This is outside. We need to be out there. It's so scary. There's a car leaving. The car is coming. Or is it leaving?
That's not Mommy.
No, it's not Mom. I didn't hear anything. Come on.
Should we go into the office? I don't know because that's probably the darkest place and it's not going to be unlocked.
Here are the bathrooms. Okay, I'm so scared right now. The vent just turned on out of nowhere. Okay, guys, we're in a really dark spot, so we're going to go closer to the light because it's really creepy now. Shh, stay still. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that guy?
Come, let's run to the garden.
No. Go, go. Let's go underneath the table. I can't really fit because you guys are there. Hey, you can see. Oh, oh, it says Jaden. Jaden!
It was here the whole time.
How come you didn't answer us when we called your name?
My headphones.
Oh, you had headphones on, huh? So that's how you would do it now.
Jaden.
We were scared for no reason. What were you doing making all that noise?
I thought you
I
still.
fell.
He fell.
Wow.
Was it because you were bumping into walls as you were walking? Because you
No, I
were
tripped.
really okay.
I
Well-
thought you were still at yearbook.
Well, we obviously got scared for no reason.
Well,
It was Jaden all
it
along.
was Jaden.
We were scared for no reason, and he was in here all. You're here?
Yeah.
But you told us to wait there for you to pick us up.
Yeah, I came in here and I didn't see you in here, and I decided to print out stuff for my students, and I sent Jaden to go look for you guys.
Well, we were scared, so
Was that you guys screaming up here?
yeah.
You guys are so silly.
Well, we'll see you guys next time. We were super scared, but
And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.
yeah. And click the bell to get a notification every time we post a new video. And bye.
Jaden. Jaden.
Jaden.
Jaden.
Jaden.
Jaden.
Jaden.